Okay guys, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you an interesting strategy that you can also use to make money, either alongside the trading bot or as an additional entry confirmation. Make sure to drop a like on this video and let's move on to the setup of this strategy and start our trading session. All right, guys, let's move on to the indicators. The first one we need is Aroon, and the second is MACD. Okay, for the Aroon indicator, set the period to 15 and click Save. For the MACD, keep the default parameters and use the classic style. That's it, our indicators are fully set up. Now let's move on to the trading session and I'll explain the entry points in detail. Let's focus on the currency pair Australian dollar, US dollar. I'm setting the expiration time to 1 minute and I'm entering a sell trade. We can clearly see a MACD crossover and seller dominance according to the Aroon indicator. The overall trend is bearish and I believe the price may go for a new low. Let's watch and see how this trade will close. Perfect. The trade on the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair closed in profit. The market situation was read correctly, a great sign for a strong trading session. Let's look for the next setup and keep making profits. The next currency pair is Euro Japanese Yen. I'm entering a sell trade. The Aroon indicator shows seller dominance. There's a MACD crossover and the market is moving sideways. The setup looks good and I believe the price can move lower. Let's see how this trade closes. In this situation with the Euro Japanese Yen currency pair, I get a refund, meaning a second chance to win. The trade closed at the same level where it was opened, so we'll simply skip this asset and move on to find the next setup. Didn't take long to find this setup. It showed up pretty quickly. We're looking at the Euro New Zealand dollar currency pair. There's a MACD crossover and I can also see buyer dominance. So I think we've got a good chance to work this buy trade. Let's watch how this option plays out. One minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now let's get back to the video. The trade didn't go my way this time. Something clearly went off plan. Maybe the expiration time just wasn't enough, but that's all right. Let's open a recovery trade on another asset and see if we can turn this around. The Australian dollar Swiss franc currency pair. I see a sell setup forming here. Let's take a look. We've got a key area of interest, seller dominance on the Aroon indicator, and a MACD crossover to the downside. I've been looking for a setup like this for quite a while, so let's see if my patience pays off. Perfect. The trade on the Australian dollar Swiss franc worked out exactly as planned. I'm taking the profit and we already have a solid result. But let's keep trading with this strategy and look for more opportunities. Let's take a look at my favorite currency pair, Euro Turkish Lira. I'm entering a sell trade. There's a solid downtrend, a MACD crossover, and strong seller dominance on the Aroon indicator. Let's watch and see how this option closes. Unfortunately, this trade closed against me, so we'll have to open a recovery trade. It's a shame, but no worries, I'm always prepared for this. Guys, I hope you also remember the most important thing is to always stick to risk management. Let's look for the next setup. Finally, let's check out the Euro New Zealand dollar currency pair. I'm entering a sell trade right away. We've got fresh seller dominance on the Aroon indicator and a new MACD crossover. The trend is bearish. I've been looking for a setup like this for a while and I finally found it. Let's watch and see how this trade closes. It was worth searching for this setup. It brought in profit. In trading, we know the key is patience, and I showed it, and the market rewarded me. A great setup. Let's move on to the next one. Let's focus on this currency pair. The situation here is also interesting. I'm entering a buy trade because we've got a MACD crossover and buyer dominance on the Aroon indicator. Let's see how this strategy performs on this currency pair. Perfect. The trade closed in profit, the situation was read correctly, and the strategy performed perfectly. Let's keep trading and look for new opportunities. All right, let's open a trade on this currency pair. I'm entering a sell trade. There's seller dominance and the MACD also signals a sell. I'm hoping this level will get broken. Yes, this trade also closed in profit and the trading scenario performed perfectly. Awesome, guys. Now let's lock in the result with one more trade and wrap up the session summary. All right, let's open one more trade on an exotic currency pair. I see a buy setup, there's a MACD crossover and fresh buyer dominance on the Aroon indicator. Let's watch how the final trade closes in this trading session. Woohoo, guys, the trade closed in profit, and in this trading session, I made over $3,000, an incredible result. I can say that with the help of the trading bot, setups are found much faster. Use this tool. I wish you great profits and see you all soon. Bye.